Hello, my name is Owen. This is my to-do list site I made. I am 20 years old from Seattle area. I go to school at Dev Mountain Coding Bootcamp. Chillgenda is at its core a to-do list with larger time windows for accomplishing your tasks and setting goals. I made it from inspiration of how I use my notes app on my phone for organizing goals and tasks, and because I find other to-do lists very overly complicated and too rigid. So it works by, you can add tasks to each day, week, month, or year, and you can set them to repeat or not. So you can kind of make routines out of this, or just add individual tasks. Like, let's say it's an individual task of grocery store today, and you can mark tasks as complete and delete them. Or you can set a routine, like a weekly routine of going mountain biking, and it would refresh. And I use a Cron clock to refresh tasks every day, week, month, or year, and it deletes all tasks in that SQL database besides the ones that are set to refresh. And it marks the other tasks as incomplete, so you can kind of have your routine there. And this site saves and loads tasks to each user with a fully authenticated login and registered form. You can also get tasks suggested to you from the board API right here, little pop-ups. I used JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Node, SQL, some external themes and icons for the CSS. I'm really proud of figuring out how to make the login and register form with authentication. And the CSS, I think the CSS just looks really nice, and just the overall organization of tasks to each timetable and each user, and just the whole sorting of that task process. And for overcoming bugs in my code, I found a really good practice was using breakpoints to single out the line of code that was causing issues, and just taking little breaks from coding and thinking about it logically and coming back to it, and just asking for help.